Today I'm really excited to share with you my mom's recipe for Greek Canadian style potato salad. That's right, not totally Greek, not totally Canadian, somewhere in the middle. This has been in my family like forever. I remember this as a kid growing up, happy, mad, sad, or glad, whatever the occasion, it was on our table, whether it be at our house, my cousin's house. I've got a cousin like in Greece that makes this still. And because of that, I want to share it with you today. So, very easy to make, nothing complicated. First things first, I'm just going to take some pre-boiled potatoes. Now, here's the thing. You don't need to watch me boil potatoes. So, I've taken about 3 pounds of potatoes and I've pre-boiled them. I'm just going to set these here right now and I'm going to mix everything in the pot and makes cleanup a lot easier as well. So I'm going to take these, and this recipe is based sort of on ingredients from here like mayonnaise, lemon, green onions, that type of thing, and along with a little bit of Greek olive oil, and it looks absolutely fantastic as well the way it's garnished. First things first, a little bit of seasoning goes on my boiled potatoes, a little salt, a little pepper. Now, a little means a little more for me, but that's just my taste. Salt and pepper, always to taste. Perfect. I'm going to take a little bit of my Greek extra virgin olive oil. And for this, I'm probably going to put in maybe 2 or 3 tablespoons, 4 tablespoons or so. Nothing much at all. And what I'm going to do next is I'm going to take my potato masher and I'm going to coarsely mash these. I'm not going to turn them into like this like mashed potato consistency. Very, very coarse. Just like that. They don't need much to this at all. In fact, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to grab a spatula here. And as you're making this, you're going to have big chunks, little chunks. That's what you want in this at the end of the day. So this already is done. It took like nothing. It took like 2 or 3 mashes. Let me just move this here. Now, the next part of this is some scallions or green onions. I'm just going to take just the tops off here. I'm not going to use those. And all I'm going to do is finally just chop these up like nothing, not a big deal. Move that out of the way here. And in this recipe, I'm only using the green part. I'm not using the white part at all. So I'm just going to take this and pour this in, or add this in here just like that. I'm going to take a little bit of parsley and I'm just going to chop some up, like a bunch pretty much. And again, I'm just going to chop this up. You don't want to pulverize it, but you don't want huge leaves in this either. You want something in between, like a garnish type of thing. And the beauty about this recipe, it takes like no time. The longest part of this recipe is actually boiling your potatoes. And I'll tell you, if you're kind of cramped for time, cut up your potatoes before you boil them into small pieces, and they'll boil that much faster. All right. Also, let me just put that in there, just like that. And already you see like a really nice kind of color happening here. So move that here. The next thing that's going to go in here is half a cup of lemon juice. And I mean lemon juice. I'm not talking about the shit that you get like in those green plastic bottles that's in your grocery aisle. It'll be lemons. So half a cup of lemon juice goes in there. And also, at this point, I'm going to take about a cup of mayonnaise. Now, the mayonnaise I'm using here is the mayonnaise that's got olive oil in it, and I love it. No brand plug type of thing. This is just pure play, what I prefer. It gives it a better flavor. And all I'm going to do here, oh yeah, this is already smelling like my mom's kitchen. And you're going to just mix this around and just get everything incorporated. Now, the beauty about this recipe as well, if you make it while your potatoes are still hot, absorbs everything, and that's what's key. So very carefully now, pour your potato salad into your bowl here and smooth this out. This is the way my mother made this. This is exactly how I want you guys to try this, because it's an exceptional recipe and it's something that's a little bit different. So now that our potato salad is in our bowl, we added now on the top about a cup of mayonnaise. I know it sounds excessive, but you're going to see where I'm going with this now. All you're going to do is ice this. Literally, you're going to ice this on the top with a very thin layer of the mayonnaise. All right, and that's the top part of this. If I wanted to decorate it even more, which I do, I'm going to take some of my Kalamata olives. I love Kalamata olives, and these happen to be my own. That was so good. To doll this up, you're going to take your olives and you're going to place them around the perimeter facing in, just like that. And try to get your olives approximately the same size, and just do this. And it may take you a couple of minutes, but not a big deal. And the presentation is simple, yet it'll be like outstanding the way this looks. Especially the contrast of the black color of the olives with the white of the mayonnaise. Absolutely beautiful. Just going to take 3. I'm just going to put them like a little kind of pattern, like a little star. Just like that. That's it. That's it for my mom's recipe on Greek Canadian potato salad. Perfect for any occasion, and it's so easy to make. Look at this. It looks like a picture. So my friends, that's it for this episode. I hope you guys like this. If you did like it, smash that like button and subscribe. Check me out online at kensgreektable.com for all my amazing recipes that are getting added all the time. And until next time, I will see you on the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.